Well, hello there, friends. Really quick one today. We're making a roasted cashew chicken. Really, really quick with snappy sugar snappies. I'm going to show you how to do it. We're going to have fun. This is a quick one. You're going to love making it, I promise you. Remember, thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to ring the bell. Stay tuned, friends. We are making this chicken right now. It's delicious. Okay, friends. Well, I was not planning for shooting recording a show today, but Jack said, you know, I'm really hungry and I got them nice cashew, raw cashew. How about if you make cashew chicken? Hey, I say, why don't we make a video? So here it is. We got raw cashew and I've got about 6 ounces of it. We're going to saute them first. We're going to saute them and get them to caramelize a little bit, roast them, if you will. And this is the right way to do it. And then we're going to do it, and then we're going to add the chicken as well, because the chicken, I like the chicken to saute a little bit. And I got chicken breast, and I cut in little cubes, little pieces, because obviously it's a stir fry. Now I got to wash my hand. It's a stir fry, and we're going to do that. We're going to wait for this to be a little hotter. So we're going to make sure they're hot, so then we can roast them a little bit. You see, look. They'll turn brown when you do it. You'll know. And they're going to be so much better tasting if you do it yourself. If you buy them already toasted, I mean, they're okay. They're just dry, I find. I find that if you do it yourself, it's a lot better. And then we're going to add the chicken. We're going to do it in the same time, my friends. Same time. We're going to roast everything the same time. So we got a little color. We got a little caramelization on our chicken, and we got caramelization on our nuts. Nothing wrong with that. Just a little salt, because I'm gonna make a sauce with a soy sauce and an oyster sauce, and there's a lot of salt in there, friends. Okay. So as soon as we get a little color on everything, now I like to cut them bite size. So now. This is the kind of dish you gotta have everything ready. You gotta make sure everything is ready, my friends, when you do it, because you can't stop what you're doing here to go and chop up some peppers or things. I got red and green peppers in there. Certainly not necessary. You can just do one of the colors if you want. And if you don't have any peppers, just don't put them in. That's not that big of a deal, right? And then we got little snow peas. And we're going to put in, I'm going to show you how to cut those guys. And we got some red onion. Now, my regular girl said, why come you don't put the onion first? And you'll be right, that's the question. Is because if I put them first, my friends, if I put the onion first, they'll be burning by now, you see? So sometimes we have to be careful. They'll be burning, especially the red onion. You know, oh, they see the nut went out. But you know what? I got the tool to get my nut out. I'll show you. Right there, right there. See? You, come back over here. What do you think, huh? So, I bet I'm the only chef on YouTube that talk to his nuts. I'm telling you. Oh, look. We got a nice color. You see, that's what I wanted. I wanted some really nice color for the nuts. All right, I got enough color. Now I'm going to take all this, friends, and put this aside, okay? All right? Now, oh, by the way, I didn't tell you, but I'm using a little coconut oil, okay? This is an extra virgin coconut oil, and it smells amazing around here. I love it. You don't have coconut oil, just use regular vegetable oil. Whatever oil you use, okay? Remember, this is not like, this is cooking, eh? It's not like you gotta do certain things, especially this. Hey, whatever you got, you put it in there, friends, okay? Here we go, a little red onion. This is about a half of a red onion. Diced fairly small, right? Now the onion all gonna go first, of course, at this point, because there's nothing else in the pan. And then we're gonna put bell peppers. and I cut them in little strips. Like I took a julienne and I cut them in 3, right? Cut the side of it, cut little julienne, I cut them in 3. I got a green onion, mostly the light green part of it and the white part of it. All right, we're gonna put this the peppers in there now. This is about a quarter of a bell pepper green and a quarter of a bell pepper red. All right, pretty simple. The snap peas, I'm gonna forget this. The snap peas, let me show you how to do them, friends. I got most of them down right there. What you do, you take them. Let me get everything out of the thing so Jack can do this. You know, there's one run side and one straight side. You take the run side, you put it down, and you cut, but not all the way, and then you pull the wire. The string, I don't know what you call it. See, look. See right there, the string right there. Can you see it, Jack? See, the string. Is that what you call it, Jack? The string, the wire, you don't know. Yeah, that's the problem, you know, because you don't know sometimes how to speak English, and I don't know either, so we're in big trouble. It's like the blind leading the blind. He's from Australia. And Australia, I don't know if they speak English. Oh, yes, I know you guys do speak English. I was only kidding here. I was only picking on him, okay? So, please, all my Australian friends are going to be like, what? What did you just say? We don't speak English? I love you guys. You guys are like, look, see all that stuff right there? You don't want it, okay? All this, you don't want it. I mean, look, it's not going to hurt you if you take it, right? Put them right in there. Look how simple is that. I mean, I ain't notice. A child could do this, right? Let me finish this. No, okay, I don't have time. I got a little ginger. I got a little garlic, ginger, garlic. And you notice I cut the ginger in little, small julienne, little pieces. So I got some nice pieces out of it. And here I'm going to give some nice color. What else I want to show you? Oh, I'm going to make a sauce. The sauce is going to have some oyster sauce. And if we were to measure, whoa, this would be about a quarter cup. We're going to put a little bit of soy sauce. If we were to measure, that'd be about a quarter cup. It's very high measurement here, friends. A little bit of mirin, if you want it. A little bit of a sweet rice cooking one. Oh, mamma mia, don't put too much, just a little bit. And in the meantime, we're looking good here, friends. Look, see? We're going to go back in there now. Pretty simple, right? And it smells amazing in here. You see? All right, we're going to cook. Did I put the hot sauce yet? I didn't put the hot sauce. A little bit of hot sauce. Don't worry about how much you put in, okay? It's up to you, my friend. Little ginger. You're going to like it. You cut them in nice little strip like that. Put a garlic. Remember, you don't put the garlic too much. That's about 1 tablespoon of garlic and about a half a tablespoon of ginger, if you were to measure, okay? But I highly recommend you don't measure. You know, cooking to me is like making love. You got to change the recipe once in a while. I mean, really, if you make the same thing every time, it gets boring. If you cook it the same flavor, everything, so it's nice you just introduce some different flavors in there. What do you think? You agree? Oh, green onion. Green onion. Oh, I was going to forget this. I'm going to forget something. Let's pay attention to me, folks. I'm going to pay attention. I'm going to forget something. That's a lot of right there. I need to make a little more sauce. I'm going to put a little more. So, you know, I think we're about a half a cup of that oyster sauce and probably half a cup of the soy sauce by now. All right. Let me, I got to do the lime. I want to put a lime zest. That's looking beautiful, my friends. You notice? What am I looking for? I don't know. Here it is, right there. The grater. Jack would just remind me that I was looking for the grater. Sometimes I forget things. Sometimes I forget things. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that'd be every time. That's okay, though. You know, it's only, like I say, it's only cooking. As long as you're having fun, have an extra glass of wine, life is good. Life is good. All right, my friends. Let's go. What do you think? I think it's looking beautiful. All right, put the sauce in there now, friend. What do you think? Did I put the lime in there? Yeah, I did everything. All right, here we go. Sauce. Sauce, come on. Yes. Beautiful sauce. It's looking good, looking good. I'm making a mess. You know I don't like mess. Oh, what do you think, my friends? What do you think, Jack? You like? It's looking good, right? I put a little chicken stock in there, just a little bit of chicken stock. And I also have, in case I need a little bit of cornstarch slurry, but I don't think I'm going to need it. Let me clean up and plate. Let me do a little clean up around here and do a beautiful plate. I have a beautiful rice that I cooked, jasmine coconut rice. Let's clean up, and we'll make a nice. It's looking beautiful. I love it. Let me test it. Let me test it, just in case I need to make a little adjustment. I got lucky. It's perfect. Yeah, it's nice, perfect. If you're gonna make an adjustment, it's now. It's now or never. There's a song about this, right? It's now or never. But I'm not gonna sing it, friends, don't worry. If I start singing, we'll have everybody leaving the channel. Look, I got this beautiful coconut rice that we just made. And we're gonna put the chicken right on top of it. And we have ourselves a beautiful, very simple, gorgeous, snappy cashew chicken. You know, we can make the sauce a little thicker. I was going to put some cornstarch. You can certainly do it. I have it right there ready to go. Too late now. I'm not going to do it. But you can make the sauce just a little thicker with just a little cornstarch slurry. And my friend, right there, we have ourselves a beautiful roasted cashew chicken with a coconut. It's fantastic. Friends, that's an easy one for you to make. I hope you make it. Remember, thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to ring the bell. Oh, it's fantastic. I hope you make it. Friends, I wanted to show you because I took the time to thicken it just a little bit. You can use tapioca powder or you can use cornstarch, and you see it looks so much better than the sauce is right on top. It's going to be delicious. We're getting ready to eat another plate now.